Before we started music, we had Ace and Sour. I saw the truth, would turn it down, then I heard the sirens. I pull over, man, but I keep it silent.
What's going on YouTube? This is your boy Rob from Evolve. What's going on, everybody? Today, we have something special for you guys. Check this out. We have our boy Jeff right there. We have a boy Daddy Snaps. What's going on, brother? And we got the boss Jason. We're working on the coilovers for Sonic, the new acquisition for the Evolve family. You already know, cat in the background. So what's going on here? What's happening?
We're struggling with the front strut.
Struggling with the front strut. That sucks. Well, it is what it is, boys. Stay tuned for more. We're gonna be checking this shit out, see what's going on. Damn, that thing tight. We got our main mechanic here. Not him. He's just there. He's exist sometimes, you know. Hi, Jeff. We got our main mechanic here. Jason.
What's up?
Jason, you're full of filth, man. Damn, bro, what happened? Did you guys manage to take it out or what?
Yeah, we got it out.
Hell yeah.
Fuck that
What's up? Fuck that strut.
I haven't even dropped the spring bucket over here.
Operation Coilovers to Sonic. It's been an adventure.
The only thing I can do is take it out right back there. Just drop the whole bucket. But putting it back here might be a bitch. Take it out.
Ooh, they're playing right now.
Teamwork right there, boys. We already took the one in the back out. As you can see, thing ready. We out here. It's a beautiful, beautiful day in Florida. Check us out. Make sure that you like, subscribe on Instagram, on YouTube, Evolve Lifestyle, and on Instagram, evolve.tm. You already know what it is, boys.
Success. We took it out. Oh my god.
Fuck that shit.
That's just a pain in the fucking ass. So, the top hat was 14s. Then we had the stock sway bar, which was a 12, if I'm not mistaken. No, it was a 14, I believe. What else we had to loosen was a bracket here. Where? Oh, you're gonna lower it? My bad. Alright. And then we had some issues trying to take it out, so we had to loosen the control arm bolts, which were 17s. In addition, apply pressure to bring the whole thing down and move it. Oh shit, the whole shit fell.
Careful with that.
And there it is. One side is done, this side needs to be next. It was just such a hassle. We took about maybe 2-3 hours on this side just because of certain difficulties. But yeah, here we are.